flexing her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar, now damn, I guess I am. You might be the man, well that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay, cool, you want sunset? I'm about to slide, okay, I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family, making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fine. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
It was all white covers.
Fuck, I seen it come out.
So Sloop played 2-4, and I got a few more. I call my brothers. I got a lot of flows, and they all like butter.
No, it wasn't.
I came home nice, but I'm going back mean. I'm about to globe trot when they know a vaccine.
Oh my god.
They know exactly what's going on. Made a mill, and I don't know what to blow it on. I tell a critic, shut up, like my show is on. Give a t-shirt to it, said throw it on.
Oh my god.
High school classmates, I'm growing up.
Oh my god.